That button. Okay. All right, so today's video is gonna be a little different again. I got something new in the mail. And this is some fast Magna frames. So they look So I had to look for the equivalent on Melco's website. Okay, I have a Melco. So if you have like a Tajima, one of them other machines, Burden, Ricoma, whoever it is, this is the equivalent. Okay, these hoops. Give it a nice little picture. These hoops right here. All right, that's the actual equivalent to these hoops in this box. I'd show you them. I'm gonna show you them. I'm gonna show you them on SEWTECH website. So if you go to SEWTECH's website, here they are. All right, these are all of them. I know it's not focusing, but these are all of them, and you have them for. Bring that up. Focus, camera, focus, focus. Okay, so you have them for every single manufacturer. That one says Tajima. I have them for Tajima. They have them for CFW. They have them for Happy Japan. They have them for Burden. They have them for Ricomas. They have them for Melco, which one I have. They have them for Buy. They have them for SEWTECH machines themselves. Don't forget, SEWTECH do sell their own machines. They have them for SEWTECH machines. So what's in this kit here is 8 hoops in one. And on the back it does tell you it has it for all the machines. All right, I bought it for all the machines. And I've seen the ones on Melco before, and I wanted them because you can technically embroider on certain things you can't get a regular hoop on. For instance, like right on the sleeves, or you want to get somewhere like right on the very, very neck. You can put them in your regular hoop, but it's kind of weird and finicky how to make it work. But if you have this set, that's the name again, and it's from SEWTECH. SEWTECH. When you get these, you can stitch on. Your ability to stitch on stuff just goes whoo through the roof. Okay, you can sew on so much stuff. It's just, I'm gonna show you, because stuff like this you can't put in a hoop, right? It's just not feasible. So you need something else that can hold it, so you can embroider on it. Which I might actually embroider on this. I might actually put my embroider on it. I might actually put my logo on this thing. Don't tempt me. But you can put it on others in just weird places. I have a bag that there's a spot on the bag I wanted to put embroidery on. Now I can actually use this to put it on. I'm gonna see how far I can push these hoops, how much I can embroider with them, because that's the goal, to embroider everything I can, when I can, how I can, and why I can. This is the one thing with embroidery. You need a lot of tools. You need tools for practically everything. All right. And this is just one of the tools that you'll need for embroidery. Just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I got in the box. Not really. This is way more fun than what I was planning on doing. And everything that's in the box. Again, depending on what machine you order, you get the brackets in there. This one, I got 2 brackets in here. 2 brackets and the Melco bracket. So my Melco bracket, and then I'm going to assume this is for the SEWTECH machines, okay? So if you have SEWTECH machines and you buy this thing, or you ever decide to buy a SEWTECH machines, you can always use the brackets for your SEWTECH machine, which is absolutely nice. I give them props on that one. So awesome job, SEWTECH. Always include your machine brackets just in case we want to buy one of your cheaper machines, and trust me, that makes a difference. Oh, I want to tell you the price. I want to show you the price real quick. So the one on Melco, okay? I don't remember if I showed it to you. This one on Melco, that same set, the price, look at that thing. I want to show it to you. I hope this thing is focusing on the price, okay? You see, that's how much it costs. It says $429. Let me zoom it up for you, okay? Right there. See, it's a SEWTECH and it's $422. See, same page. I didn't go anywhere, all right? And then on SEWTECH's website, because I have a Melco, I have to compete. I have to show you that, you know, buying this thing from SEWTECH websites is a way better deal. And guess what? The best part ain't the best. That's not the best part yet. I'm gonna show you the best part here in a minute. One of these ones from SEWTECH's website, $250. All right. I don't care who you are. I don't want to pay $400 for something when I can pay $250 for the same thing. And in this case, I think it's better. Why? I just want to take one out. Why I think it's better? Oh, they're gonna hate me now. But I don't care. Magnetic hoops. It's magnetic! Put my stuff on and I can, wow. See, so it's magnetic. You have a magnetic wrap. You put the stuff on and you slap it in place and you hold it in place. All right, where was I? I had to stop for a minute. Oh yeah, so they're magnetic. And the other ones from Melco, again, I can only talk about what I know. They're not magnetic. It's just this piece, okay? And then you have to find ways to attach it. Oh, this is way thicker. This is also thicker too. It's not as flimsy. I've watched videos on the other ones, and the other ones are like half this thickness. No offense, but something half the thickness and costs twice as much. I'll stick with this one.
Wow.
Okay, I'll stick with this one. And then you get 8 of them. So this is an 8-pack for the $250. $255. Okay. You get 8 hoops. So you have this little tiny one. This one here. This square looking one. I'm trying to take them out of the box and show you. Let me bring this up a little bit more. This one. So I'm guessing you can put this on a hat. I'm gonna learn what these things do, but right now I'm just show you what's in the box, because only video I've got about this was one on how to put it together. I'm gonna learn more about these hoops, these types of hoops, and as I learn how to do them, I'm gonna show you how to use them. And then you have this one here. Oh, look at this! This one's cool. This is a nice, long, skinny one. So you can. Oh wow! I can figure a few things I can do with this one. Especially my keychains. You're probably gonna get maybe an inch out of this one. This one's gonna be maybe an inch. Probably gonna get maybe an inch in between here to stitch on. So I'm gonna really put these things to work. Okay. Then you have, you know what I can probably do with this? I can actually make keychains. My keychain's like just a flat keychain, and I can put it in here to get embroidered. Or like just a simple like words, cursive or whatever it is. I'll figure out what to do with this one. This size, I'm not exactly sure what size they are. I'm gonna have to sit down and measure them. There's absolutely no instruction in here. There's no size measurements. For the Melco though, which is nice, when I put the measurements, when I actually sit down and measure them, when I put this measurement in, from there to there, Melco will actually give me my sewing field, so which is nice. So that'd be fine. And then I actually know exactly how wide I can put stuff. But you know what I noticed I can do with this? on the side, like side of hats, back of hats, where you have to put it on the you have to put it on like maybe a hat hoop and have it twist around in circles. Well, I can probably just put a hat right in here, lock it in place, and now I can actually stitch on the side of your hat like that, the stitch right there. I think that's gonna come in handy for stuff like that, especially like this little size. And I think there's another one. This one maybe you can do maybe on your sleeves, your little neck, on the collar here. You know, it's a little collarbone. You can just stitch something right on the little collar there. Oh, here's another one I can use for the hat. This one I know, if I have, you know the flat hats, the ones without the support in the front. I might be able to get this in there. I don't know. This looks a little big, but I'm gonna try. But you can get in certain cases. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get this in places. Again, I saw the pack. I never actually looked more into it than just looking at it. But this is really nice. I like, and the fact that the part that I'm actually enjoying is the fact that this is magnetic. Whoa, this thing's and they're strong. They're not some little cheesy magnets. These are some strong magnets. It really is magnetic. Yeah, look at that. Man, this holds on. Here it goes. All these are all the sizes. This one, so I have a hoop kind of like this, roughly this shape, but it has the two ends on the side. Problem I have with that is getting it into stuff. But this seems like it's going to be a lot better. And I'm going to show you why I think it's going to be better. Because I can just put it in here and then just lock it in place. Whereas the other one, it has like it has a specific divot you have to drop it into. This there's no divot. You just kind of just drop it on top of there and then hold on. Now the backing will be the backing's gonna be tricky to put the backing, because a part of the problem I do have, and I'm gonna try to show it to you eventually, especially when I try in ones like this. This one specifically. When you put the backing on, actually, yeah, I might be able to do it. There's a bigger flat side on the back here. So when you put the backing, you can actually put the backing on and then tape it. So the backing will stay on a little longer. The one I have has like a round edge on here, so it's rounded here. I'd show it to you, but it's back there somewhere. It has a rounded edge. This one has a flat edge, so I might be able to get more, put the thing in here more. But to do sleeves, especially down here on the sleeves, I don't have to fight with this big old thing. I can just put this right there or this right there. I'm telling you, I got plans. I love this. I love this. So I'm just showing you what's in the box. And again, if you have a SEWTECH machine, it comes with it. If you don't have a SEWTECH machine, they'll send you the one for your the brackets for your machine. So, and again, if you look on the website, the SEWTECH website, you just pick the machine you want this set for, and then you can just order it and then send you your extra bracket. And if you ever decide to get a SEWTECH machine, again, the price of the machines are absolutely awesome. I love the price of those machines. I don't know how they work. I don't know how the SEWTECH machines work, but I know the price is very, very attractive. Okay, the 15 needle, like the one I have, is $6,000. I pay almost 17 for mine, 18, almost 18,000 for mine. Hey, look, that's not even a question. It's not even a question at this point. So, till next time, I'm gonna show you how to put it together and all the other stuff. Peace. Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.